Hey, Armando, Paolo. You're here in San Francisco at Innovate 2010, and you're from Doochoo,
Yeah.
and you're originally from Italy?
Italy.
So tell me, why did you come to the conference?
we are a San Francisco-based company, even if we are Italian, and we just launched our first and core product. We have a startup, it's called Doochoo, and the product name is Pick One, and is a decision tool to collect, aggregate, and share opinions between groups of people. Fact is that when you are organizing something between two people, it's very easy. You call him or you call her, and it's done. When you do this same thing between more than 5 or 6 people, it gets messy. You know, phone calls, text messages, emailing and chatting without getting anywhere. This product manages the decision process to get to a result. And this is pretty much the very private and actionable and tangible part. And it has also a public part that Paolo will talk about.
Practically, this is not just a decision tool for private usage. We want to practically offer a new tool for revolutioning opinions online. Because the decision tool from the private part, pretty much you're asking opinion to people for a private decision. From the public part, you can pretty much send, I would say, a poll to people socially. So it can be either to your friends or in the whole world. So imagine pretty much, as in our specific proof of concept, midterm election. You want to know pretty much what people are thinking about the election. So you can shoot out a poll, and it can be spread out virally through Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Buzz, through the same application. People can retweet it, and people can vote. What's the difference between us and other opinion companies? First, we have a patent pending technology that is opinion in 4 dimensions. Each time somebody votes, we know who is voting, where is voting from, pretty accurate. When he's voting, and the topic tags. Topic tags, each time somebody asks the question, we automatically extract the topic tags semantically, automatically, and each topic tags become also an hashtag in the way when people tweet around, it's already linked to the conversation.
Okay, so similarly at the conference here, we're using the hashtag X Innovate. So
Yes.
along those lines?
Yes.
Okay.
So even in a question, we're going to produce maybe 10 hashtags, and connected to those arguments, when people reply, picking the selection.
Right.
So it's a multiple choice. Can be 1, 2, can be a black, white, can be sushi or pizza. Even each answer comes with the hashtag. So we bind together question and answer.
Okay.
And everything goes into a platform. It's a graph platform where the information is connected 4-dimensional, I would say. And you can imagine that as a free base for the opinions.
Okay.
So the platform is going to be something where people can query stuff and get a result.
Right.
So we do not own data, and this is also a comparison with other survey company. They own the data, maybe you pay to have them back, or maybe they don't even have API to export them. So we have API to connect to the whole world.
Okay.
And now we offer widget. We offer a Facebook app, iPhone app, an Android app, and the web app.
Nice.
There is another very important thing that's our user or the users will be validated through our system, so that we will know that the opinion of the people, the votes of the people are unique vote and unique opinions. And that's very interesting for who already today on the internet makes initiatives or petitions for Amnesty International, for example, or for socially relevant argument for people to know how they would like to see their money spent, for example. Well, I would want to see my money spent this way or the other way. Through the system, their opinion will be a unique opinion, and so very much valuable than today.
Interesting.
One more thing, why also at PayPal? That belongs to the monetization part. So we have 3 ways to monetize the whole company, and the most innovative way is one of the 3 models is when the companies pay users on for commercial purposes. So the users are willing to give the opinion to vote because they are paid for their opinion.
Okay.
And during that process, we're going to be using the feature announced at PayPal X last year. I was there. That is the split payment. In that way, we're going to seamlessly get the money as a stake of the transaction between the client, that is the company, and the user.
Okay, great. And how's it been since, when did you launch?
Yesterday.
Just yesterday. Wow, brand new! Congratulations! We're very excited for you.
Thank you.
And how's everything going? You have people at the office watching the network?
Yeah, and we too, through the mobile phones, of course.
Every 2 minutes we have to connect it with the developers that are in Italy right now.
Yeah.
And actually we prepared the first landing page for the midterm election. So actually I'm going to ask everybody to approve, to test the application at pick1 in the number, like the number.com/midterm.
Okay.
It's seamlessly connected to your Facebook account. In a few weeks, we're going to have also all the other credential, like Google credential, and LinkedIn, Twitter. So you can vote, and you can test the application, and you can understand how does it work.
Very nice, very nice. And so what else are you guys doing? How are you going to grow the application? What do you think the future of your application is? Where do you see it going?
The core value is pretty much in the opinions in 4 dimensions, so in the platform, and we will build an API system to give people the chance to use our system for the application or for the site, and so this will pretty much our focus in the future.
Okay.
You can see that pretty much all the applications, mobile apps and the web apps, you can see them as the perfect bridge, the perfect link, seamless and very natural between the platform and people offering opinion all day long. That is what we already do, during our daily life.
Right.
And from the other side, the future is going to be on the application. We're going to have a critical mass of data. Obviously, we don't have it yet. People can connect either from their company website, from website blogs, like even your WordPress. Through plugin widgets, you can interact bidirectionally to get opinion from people, save your data, and the beauty in the future, like in maybe a couple of years, is going to be the BI, the business intelligence layer. So you can extract your data, query your data real time, and we offer a tool to business intelligence analysis.
Great.
So we are not going to offer just a raw data. We're going to offer innovative way to look at your data. So we're going to have visualization tool.
Very nice.
To have an immediate approach of what's going on.
Okay, great. So how can PayPal help you guys visualize your future or make your future happen?
Well, considering that we're talking about the monetization part, that is what is going to make us survive and succeed.
Very important part,
Yeah.
Our idea is to use PayPal as the main and only partner for transactions,
Okay.
because it's already well known, everybody is confident in it, and it offers amazing API set. So definitely PayPal could maybe embed our app into the new App Store, and splitting payment is going to be pretty important because we can't ask, we don't want to do double transaction. So we envision obviously to have it as a partner for the transaction.
Okay.
Sure.
And are there any features that you'd love to see that would make your lives easier within the PayPal APIs?
Yes. We wanted to offer mobile payments for opinions. So
Okay.
maybe people could get credit through the mobile. So instead of maybe money direct to the account, could be rewards, could be go toward credit on the phone. Something that people use on a daily basis. They don't have to care about too much. And obviously, I know it doesn't exist an API yet for that, but I'm sure people is going to work on that.
Okay. Anything else cool coming down the line? What do you think about the conference so far? Anything exciting yet?
Yeah.
What's been the neatest story you've heard so far?
Wow.
Is there anything that comes to mind?
Everything, pretty much.
Everything?
Yeah, sure it
Great.
is.
And are you staying for tonight's party?
Yes.
Yes.
And tomorrow we have been selected by you guys to pitch at the.
Oh, the VC pitch.
Yes.
Oh, great.
We are not prepared for that.
So we'll be there tomorrow as well.
Great, great.
Yeah.
And how excited are you?
Very much. Yeah.
Come on, how
Pretty
excited
much.
are you? You're
Pretty
so
much.
excited, come on, yay!
Super excited.
Very
Okay.
focused also.
All
Thank
right,
you.
great. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to chat with
Thank
us.
you.
Love hearing about what you're doing and really excited for you. Congratulations again on launching.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.